Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lakecoders, your go-to place for all things tech and cloud computing. Today, we're tackling an important topic for anyone diving into AWS: when to use S3 Replication versus Cloudfront. These two services can supercharge your cloud strategy, but knowing when to use each one is key. Stick around to find out how to leverage these tools for optimal performance, security, and reliability. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We post videos every day, and subscribing helps us know you love this content. And it tells YouTube to keep suggesting awesome videos like this one to you. Alright, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Amazon S3 Replication. This service allows you to replicate objects across different AWS regions, providing near real-time synchronization. Why is this important? Here are some key benefits. Data redundancy. S3 Replication ensures high availability and disaster recovery by duplicating your data in multiple regions. Compliance requirements. For those with strict data storage regulations, having your data in various geographical locations can help meet compliance standards. Low latency access. If your applications need fast data access across different regions, S3 Replication can make that happen. Now, let's shift gears and talk about AWS Cloudfront. This is a global content delivery network designed to speed up content delivery. Cloudfront shines in a few areas. Fast content delivery. By catching your content at edge locations around the world, Cloudfront reduces latency, ensuring quick load times for your users. Improving user experience. Whether it's websites, videos, or APIs, Cloudfront helps make sure your content loads quickly and smoothly. Enhanced security. With features like DDoS protection, Cloudfront adds a layer of security to your content delivery. So, when should you use S3 Replication? And when should you opt for Cloudfront? Use S3 Replication when you need reliable, scalable storage for replicated data. Data redundancy and compliance are top priorities. You require low latency data access in specific regions. Use Cloudfront when speed and performance for delivering content globally are crucial. You want to improve user experience with low latency. You need security and performance enhancements for web applications. In conclusion, understanding the differences between S3 Replication and Cloudfront, and knowing when to use each, can significantly enhance your AWS strategy. Whether you're prioritizing data redundancy, compliance, fast content delivery, or enhanced security, AWS has the tools to meet your needs. But here's a pro tip: you don't have to choose just one. Combining S3 and Cloudfront can leverage the strengths of each service. Use S3 for robust storage and replication, and Cloudfront for efficient global content delivery. This way, you get the best of both worlds: secure, compliant storage, and fast, reliable content delivery. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.